Hey everyone, today I'm here to show you our US-made, certified child-resistant joint tubes. We carry our joint tubes in two lengths, the 116 millimeter length, which fits 1 full gram pre-roll, 2 0.7 gram pre-rolls, or 2 full gram pre-rolls. We also carry the joint tube in a 90 millimeter length, which fits 2 half gram pre-rolls, or 1 half gram pre-roll. The inner diameter for both joint tubes is 16 millimeters. Aside from clear, we also carry in stock white, silver, gold, and black. If you want a custom color, that's also something that we're more than happy to help you with. The joint tubes we offer are made from polypropylene. That's a number 5 plastic that's recyclable through most curbside programs. The tube also features a plug seal, which offers a strong barrier against moisture and air. Our tubes are made in the USA, so you can rest assured that each tube is child-resistant certified, as well as being manufactured for easy label application. Many of the tubes which come from overseas are so hard to open that you actually have to break the tube in order to get the pre-roll out, or they are so easy to open that it is no longer child-resistant. For example, on the right-hand side, we have an overseas-made tube, which many US distributors market as child-resistant. With this tube, in just one hand, I can easily open the tube with minimal force. On the other hand, with our tubes, it would require 2 hands to easily open the tube, and with one hand you would have to use a significant amount of force in order to open this tube. It is this amount of force which ensures total compliance with child-resistant packaging laws. Tubes made overseas are also often curved due to manufacturers cutting costs. So when you go to label a curved tube, what you'll get is creasing and wrinkling and basically create an unprofessional look for your pre-roll package. This is an issue that you won't see with our US-made tubes. They have a very, very slight taper and are nearly straight, making labeling application very easy. If you aren't already buying labels from us, talk to us about bundling your joint tubes and labels together in order to receive an additional discount. We also offer bundle discounts when you buy your cones and joint tubes from us. Also talk to us about our labeling applications. We can help you find affordable labeling machinery in order to label joint tubes yourselves, or we can help you with the labeling and do the labeling application for you. So, our US-made joint tubes are child-resistant certified. They come in 2 sizes and a variety of colors. We can help you with the labels as well as label application. And if you want to save additional money, we can help you with bundle discounts. So please visit www.customconesusa.com in order to learn more about our pre-roll packaging, pre-roll equipment, cones, and tubes. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Hey, thanks for watching our new video. Check out the other videos on this page. Comment below with any questions and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all our new products. We at Custom Cones USA are your pre-roll experts.